Hello, third graders, and welcome to Journey's Lesson 1 Vocabulary in Context cards that go with our story, A Fine, Fine School, and also one-room schoolhouses. Let's look at our first word. Number 1 is principal. A principal who gets to know the students will be a better leader. And we can see in that picture, looks like the principal is walking into the classes. She's engaging and talking to the kids. They all have their hand up. They want to tell her something. So that is a really good principal who gets to know his or her students. If we click on the word, we can see the definition. It comes up. It tells us what part of speech this word is. That just means, is it a noun, a verb, an adverb, an adjective? So this word is a noun, which we know is a person, place, or thing, and the definition is the head of a school. Number 2, soared. Colorful kites soared high in the sky at the school's cultural fair, and we can see those beautiful, colorful kites in the picture right there. If we click on soared, we can see that the word soar is a verb. Those are our action words, guys. And it means to rise or fly high in the air. Number 3, strolled. Students and their families strolled for miles to raise money for charity. And we can see a picture of these two strolling along with their walking sticks. And if we click on the word strolled, we can see that stroll is a verb, another action word. It's something you do. And it means to walk in a slow, relaxed way. Number 4, worried. This boy is worried. He is afraid rain will ruin the class field trip. You can see by looking at his face, he's worried. He's feeling anxious. But even if it does rain on the class field trip, it usually doesn't ruin it. That's happened a few times in third grade. Okay, so we can see that the word worried, it's an adjective. It's describing something. So in this case, it's describing the boy and how he's feeling. So adjectives are our describing words, and this word worried means uneasy or anxious. Number 5, proud. These young actors feel proud of their terrific performance in a school play. The word proud is another adjective. It's describing something. And it means feeling pleased and satisfied over something owned, made, or done. What is something you feel proud of? Number 6, announced. Each day, a different student announced school news over a loudspeaker. In this picture, we can see a student making an announcement, and he is using a microphone. Announce is a verb. It's an action word. It's something you do, and it means to officially make known. Number 7, fine. The sun shines and the air is clear. It is a fine day for the schoolyard sale. So we can see in that picture, what a lovely, fine day. Reminds me of the title of our story this week, A Fine, Fine School. And the word fine, it's another adjective describing word, and it means excellent or of high quality. So that gives us an idea of what our story might be about. And then number 8, certainly. We certainly should turn off lights when not using them. This surely saves energy. And the word certainly is an adverb, and it means surely or without a doubt. So an adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. So this word certainly is an adverb. A lot of times we can spot an adverb because it ends in ly. That's not always the case, but if you see a word that ends in ly, it's most likely an adverb. Okay, guys, that's it for our vocabulary in context cards for lesson 1. I want you to look for these words and see how they're used in our story this week, A Fine, Fine School. Hope you enjoyed, and see you soon.